In this video, I'll show you how to design your marketing emails in HubSpot using Canva. Start by navigating to the Marketing tab in your HubSpot account and clicking on Email. From here, you can either create a new marketing email or edit an existing one. You can start from scratch or choose a template. For this example, open an existing email in the editor. Once you're in the email editor, add an image module from the default modules panel and drag it into the section where you want your design to appear. Click on the image block to upload an image or browse your files. Next, head over to Canva and open the design you want to use in your email. Click on Share, then Download, and save the design as a PNG or JPG file. After downloading the image, go back to HubSpot and upload the file into the image block you added earlier. Even though HubSpot doesn't have a direct Canva integration, you can easily use your Canva designs by exporting them and uploading them into your email. This lets you add branded visuals and custom graphics to your marketing emails. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you design better emails with HubSpot and Canva.